One of the simplest yet most important traffic signs on the road is the stop sign. Stop signs are designed to control traffic, prevent collisions, and keep intersections safe. Understanding how to approach and respond to a stop sign is an essential part of responsible driving. As you approach a stop sign, begin slowing down well in advance. Keep an eye on the traffic ahead, pedestrians, cyclists, and any vehicles approaching the intersection. A stop sign always means one thing: a complete stop. Rolling through without fully stopping, often called a rolling stop, is dangerous and can result in a traffic violation or a serious accident. Bring your vehicle to a complete stop behind the stop line. If there is no stop line, stop before entering the crosswalk. If there is no crosswalk, stop before entering the intersection where you have a clear view of approaching traffic. Once you have stopped, look left, right, and left again. Make sure the road is clear before moving forward. Never assume another driver will stop simply because they have a stop sign. Always make eye contact when possible and be prepared for unexpected actions from other road users. At a two-way stop intersection, drivers facing the stop sign must yield to vehicles traveling on the road without stop signs. Wait until there is a safe gap before entering or crossing the intersection. At a four-way stop intersection, the first vehicle to arrive is usually the first vehicle allowed to proceed after coming to a complete stop. If two vehicles arrive at the same time, the driver on the right generally has the right of way, while the driver on the left should wait until it is safe to proceed. If several vehicles arrive at nearly the same time, remain patient and allow traffic to move one vehicle at a time in a safe and organized manner. Never rush into the intersection or assume other drivers will automatically give way. If another driver signals or waves you through, proceed carefully while continuing to check the intersection for vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists. Pedestrians always deserve your full attention at stop signs. Before moving forward, check the crosswalk and allow anyone crossing the road enough time to reach the other side safely. When turning left or right at a stop sign, always yield to pedestrians and to any oncoming traffic that has the right of way before completing your turn. Cyclists should be treated just like any other vehicle at a stop sign. Give them enough space and never assume they will move out of your way. Poor weather, darkness, or limited visibility can make intersections more dangerous. Slow down even earlier and take extra time to ensure the intersection is clear before proceeding. One common mistake drivers make is stopping beyond the stop line, blocking the crosswalk and putting pedestrians at risk. Always stop in the correct position before moving forward. Another common mistake is focusing only on vehicle traffic, while forgetting to check for pedestrians or cyclists approaching the intersection. Before driving through any stop sign, remember this simple routine. Slow down, stop completely, look left, right, and left again, yield when necessary, and proceed only when the intersection is clear. Stop signs are more than just traffic signs. They are there to protect everyone who shares the road. Safe driving is not about getting through the intersection first. It's about patience, awareness, and making sure every road user gets through the intersection safely.